With the year coming to an end, we're going to take a look back at the top 10 tech breakthroughs of 2022. Number 1. Carbon Removal Factory. Emissions reduction is a crucial part of combating climate change, but the UN says it's insufficient. We must also eliminate carbon dioxide from the atmosphere in order to prevent catastrophic future warming. In order to achieve that, Iceland just established the largest carbon removal facility in the world. Number 2. AI synthetic data. Massive volumes of data are needed for AI training, but frequently the data is disorganized, shows real-world biases, or raises privacy issues with the information it contains. To get around these issues, some businesses are trying to produce and market synthetic data. It's not perfect, but it could be a more effective method of teaching AI. Number 3. Practical fusion reactors. The promise of limitless carbon-free electricity has for decades inspired researchers to try to make fusion power work. Now one startup plans to deliver it to the grid by early 2030s. Its design relies on a powerful new magnet that shattered records and should allow the company to build smaller, less expensive reactors. Number 4. The COVID pill. A brand new medication from Pfizer offers comprehensive defense against COVID-19, including the most recent variations. Similar drugs are now being developed by other businesses. These tablets, when combined with immunizations, could offer a path for the globe to ultimately recover from the pandemic. Number 5. Proof of stake. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies consume a significant amount of power. This is because of the way transactions are currently validated, which calls for a lot of processing power. Proof of stake provides an energy-efficient approach to validate transactions. By switching to the technology this year, Ethereum expects to reduce its energy use by 99.95%. Number 6. The Malaria Vaccine. More than 600,000 people die every year from malaria, most of them youngsters under the age of 5. The World Health Organization has approved a novel malaria vaccine that may potentially save hundreds of thousands of lives annually. Additionally, it is the first parasite infection vaccine ever developed. Number 7. Protein folding with AI. Your body uses proteins for almost all of its functions. Additionally, a protein's activity is based on how it folds. However, deciphering the structure of proteins might take months. This age-old biological conundrum has now been resolved by an AI named AlphaFold 2, which may enable fast medication development for a variety of ailments. Number 8. An extensive grid battery. More than ever, we use renewable energy. However, what occurs when the wind stops or the sun sets? Grid operators require a method of power storage. Perhaps new iron-based batteries can handle the job. They may be more affordable and useful than other forms of grid storage since they are manufactured from materials that are in plentiful supply. Number 9. COVID variant tracking. The pandemic significantly increased the capability for this kind of surveillance globally and attracted previously unheard of investments in genome sequencing. With improved monitoring, scientists are now able to monitor the transmission of the COVID virus and promptly identify and alert the public to new varieties. Number 10. Passwords are going away. We've required passwords to access certain things on the internet for years. We'll be able to do away with them permanently thanks to new types of verification. Instead, we'll substitute a biometric scan, a push notice, or an email with a link. These techniques are not just simpler as you don't need to remember your face, but also typically more secure. Let us know in the comments which of these breakthroughs you're most impressed by, or if there are others that you thought should have made the list.